It's auction time! Spring auction, you know what that means. Time to gather up all that money you've been hoarding all winter long and go buy shit you don't really need for too much money. What's this action here? There are two 180 Massey Ferguson diesel tractors, and they both need work. Yep, I'm going to that one. Where's tractor number one? Or one of the 180s. I don't look too bad. Well, here is the second tractor. Yep, better go check on the story of this one, see what it goes for. And there's one more picture. There it is. Boy, would you look at that. It's almost all there. I mean, yeah, fella had that running in no time. How many old, broke down, non-running Massey Fergusons do you need? All of them. Yeah. Well, here it is. Probably saw the looking at auctions, and then yeah, it got loaded on the trailer, and here it is in my shed. It's I got talking to some fellas local to where this was at, and the only thing they could tell me was it was bought brand new, so it's a one-owner machine, and it's been in the shed where it was pictured for a long time. It's got quite a story to tell. The whole spindle is gone. Hi, puppy dog. I found it. It's there. Why is the wheel hub is not? I mean, that's not broke. Why that? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. The water pump's off. The radiator's out. Well, this one's gone too. I found it. I found both of them. Injection lines are off. Starter's off. As far as I can tell, so far back, engine back, that's all there. There's a pile of parts, basket of parts. Yeah, right there's the hubs. There's even some more parts in the dump truck. Yeah, here it is. As far as I can tell, there's a fuel tank and hood. No grill. There's a grill piece missing. The one for here and the one in the center section there. Radiator, upon further inspection, that got well, boy, the stories it could tell. I don't know. The auction flyer, and they had another 180 there. Like I said, local fellas say that this guy and his dad both bought one brand new at the same time, close to the same time. I don't know. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, see that? Move that over here. Go up down in there. And he froze. So, I don't know. I don't know why it was parked or started to. Did they rob parts off this one to keep the other one running? Because this one has transmission issues? I don't know. Does this have engine issues? Hell if I know. Someday I'll find out. Not today. Probably not tomorrow. Huh.